हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मेरा नाम निकी है और आप लोग देख रहे हैं इंटीरियर अवतार। In today's video, I'm going to share two unique planter ideas which are super easy and fun DIYs. So without a further ado, let's get into the video. For these can planters, you would require a plastic can of this sort. You can use the oil cans also, which are available. And now we will cut off the base with this sharp knife. On this can I'm going to make a face. So for this one, first for the eyes, I'm going to give a 3D effect by using these false eyelashes. If you don't have these, you can also sketch it with your black marker. Because these are self-adhesive, I don't need any glue or something. They will stick very easily. Now I'll draw a lip over here with the help of this red marker. You can also paint it with acrylic color. Guys, for this DIY you would require plastic jars, something of this sort, jute rope, scissors, paintbrush, colors, and some yarn of any color. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and if you did, so do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so that whenever I upload a video in future, you do not miss that update. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही. I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.